Good morning. This is Mr. Henry Clement for your Year 8 revision, which is I'm using this book. Okay, so today we start a little bit early. Thank you for joining us. Okay, so today we are doing this division. You may just have a photo of that. Okay, or you just want to copy that later also can. Okay, actually we have another 2 pages, but we only do this page now. Okay, we have another one if you want. Also, you can take the picture. And then we have the last few part of this question. So I shall pick out some and just try to do this for you together with you. So we shall start with the number 1. Okay. Shall start with number 1, review A, which is draw the number line to show that A1A. This is -5 plus 2. This is -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, and this is -6. So this man is standing here. This girl, I'm drawing a girl now for the moment. Okay, -5, and then she tried to move. Plus is to the right for 2 steps. Okay, 1, 2. So end up this girl will be standing here, right? So the answer will be -3. Okay, now. So for the 1B, you'll be like B. I think it's the same thing. Yes, I tried to do the 1B. So B again, this girl now is standing at -3, right? -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. This girl now is standing here. Okay. Then the question is about -3 plus 4. So this girl will move 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see across the 0 already? Across the 0. Okay. So now she's standing here at the 1. So when you move 4 steps, 3 steps will be on the negative side and 1 step will be on the positive side. So the answer will be 1. Okay. Now. Okay. Number 2. We shall do the number 2 question. Number 2. I'll simplify it. Okay. Number 2A. 3x plus 2y plus 5x minus 4y plus x. Okay. So for my method, now always remember, I will draw a line for the like terms. So then I group it together. 3x plus 5x plus x. And then I have this one. I do draw a triangle. It means that the -2y, plus 2y minus 4y. Then I can solve it together with a like term. So 3 plus 5, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9x. And then this is 2 minus 4. On the 2, you know, you're standing at the 2, go to the left for 4 steps. So it's -2. So it's -2y. Then we go to the number D. D and C is the same. Maybe I go for number C. Give the longest questions for you to do at home. Number C, 5 and then 2x plus y minus 4 and then x minus 5y. Okay, so this one I need to expand this one, right? Remember, because I have 5 set of this. Each block I have 2x and y. So 5 blocks I have 10x. Then I have 5y. At the meantime, for this one, I have 4x. Negative and negative will become positive. So it's a 20y. Now, as usual, I need to group the same like terms. 10 minus 4, I get a 6x. And then I have the 5y and 20y. So it's altogether 25y. Okay. This is a way of dealing with this type of question. Okay. So the number 3 will be draw a quadrilateral line with one line of symmetry. One line of symmetry means that, okay, for example, if this is an isosceles triangle, so they will have one line of symmetry. Okay. So if you have two lines of symmetry, it means that it may be like a rectangle. Can you see? This is one line of symmetry, and this is another line. Okay. So I give the rest for you to do. Okay. So then we go to the number. Okay, and number 8. Okay, number 8. Okay, we go to number 8. Number 8 is more interesting. Write the index notation. So A, when you have 3 times 3 times 3, we have been learning that this is 3 times of power of 3. So it's the 3 power of 3. Okay, now. Number B, we have 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. So I have 5, 7 here. So it's a 7 power of 5. Okay. Okay, then we go to number 10. Number 10 is about a bottle of lemonade contains 350. How many liters of water are there in the 5 of this? So that means 300, 330 times 5. So it's a 15,1650 ml. Okay, you just times out the thing. This is ml. Okay, write an expression for the total time taken. Can you see this one? To roast a meat of the kg, it takes out 15 plus 14 of each kilo. Okay, so k kilo. So is the time is a 15 minutes. Okay, you need for every chicken, and then plus a k times 40. So is 15 plus 40k. Okay, this is the time for each kilo. Okay, then we go to number 13. Okay, 13. If you have 2 powered by 3 is actually 2 times 2 times 2. Then we know this is 8. We have the cube root of 27. We know that this is 3 times 3 times 3. So the answer will be 3. And then in C, we have -1 times 3 times. So we have the -1 times -1 times -1. So this is 3 negative. So answer is -1. Okay. And then we shall go to the number 14. Number 14 is a convert of the mesh of the unit. Okay. So 0.13 km is equal to what? This is the answer, the question. So we know that 1 km is equal to 1000 meter. So you can draw an arrow, so that this is ratio. So x divided by 1000 will be 0.13 divided by 1. So the x will be 0.13 times 1000. So the answer will be 130 meter. Okay, this is the way of so-called ratio method. Okay, ratio and proportional. So just now the 16 we have done this one, so we skip this one. The 7 also we have done with some example already. This one I want you to try by yourself, okay? And then we can do the number 18, which is round to the nearest 10. Okay, nearest 10, we have this one. 475. If the nearest 10, then you need to draw a dot on the 10 and look at behind the number, the smaller number, and this is 5, so that means they will add up 1 to the 7, so it's a 480. So always use this method. Okay, so we go to the number B. Okay, 5.476 to the nearest whole number. So the whole number will be this one, whole number. So look at the next one. So since this is 4, so the answer will be 5. 5, no, nothing behind. Okay, so this is the idea of doing this one. Okay, number H, H to 1 decimal place. For example, number H, this is 7.792 to 1 decimal place. So that's what the decimal is here. So you need to look at the next number. So this one will become the 8, 7.8. Your answer must be 1 decimal place. Okay. Then we go to the number 22, which is the expression. Work out the area. We do the A, 22A. So the area is this one times this one. So it means this is x plus 3, the length times the width, which is the 5. So the answer is 5x plus 15. Yeah, just times in the thing. And then if you want to find the parameter for this one, actually this is x plus 5, and then the below also x plus 5. This is 5, and then this is 5. So you need to add up everything. So you have 2x, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is a 20. So this is a perimeter. That's how this is the area. So then we go to the descending and ascending size or order. Okay. Got this number in the descending order. Okay, so this one you need to lay it down. Okay, this is number 25. 8.05. This is 8.57. 8.8, and then this is 7.5, and then 8.8785. Okay, so the smaller one will be this one, right? Actually, this one is out already. So the number of this one is the smaller one is a 7.5, and then okay, all these three is very hard for you to compare, right? So for this is 4 decimal place. So everything you need to have 4 decimal place, so that they can compare easily. Okay, so add a 0, add a 0, add a 0, 0, 0. Also, this is 500. This is 5,700. This is 8,000. This is 8,785. So which one is smaller? Yes, this is smaller. This is 500. So your answer will be 0.0805. And the next one, these three, yes, this is come to next, which is 8.57. After that will be this one, 8.8, and then lastly is 8.8785. This is the way of doing this question. Okay, so this is for today's work. Okay, so I hope that you can try to do this one. Okay, and I'll try to upload the answer for this in the Facebook, so you may have a look at Facebook. Okay, and remind me of this. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you very much. Bye.